bakhona ufakazi uJacob Gedlehle Sazuma esenkandla alike sokala nasici ngakho ke kuyenzeka ukuthi mawumholi uthatha inqumo ezojabulisa abathisi abanye bathi abajabulisi ngithi kulabo inqumo mina ngiyithathile ngingakayichazi zonke lezo ngithi mina hayi ngenza kwethu ngiyaxolisa kulobo abanyatheleke kabi ukuthi kungabi popular kubona bakubone njengokuthi mina ngumuntu ongayithinta imizwa yabo ngoba le tshwala bamagano okuphethe uhulumeni njengamanje iposition thina sikuyona njengabaholi bomphakathi mawuphethe umphakathi nomphethe ward uphethe ward yabantu beEFF uphethe ward yabantu beANC uphethe ward yabantu beATM uphethe abantu abahlukahlukene kodwa once you are the leader of the society that means wonke umuntu okhona lapho umphethe ngakho ke uma kwenzekile mina kwatholakala ngiphuma ugabavu sekubonakala mina ngimasaja iqembu elithize lezepolitiki kuyiphutha lokho ngicela ukuxolisa kakhulu kulabo akuzwelile kubona ngoba bayangethemba mina njengomholi njengomuntu futhi ongeyena usopolitiki ukuba ngusopolitiki oqhamile nje phela nje yabona nje phela ke isibhudla hawu hayi ke cha ngabe I don't have the reason to apologize but I have a reason to apologize even Julius Selo Malema mfowethu to remember ukuthi in our generation mfowethu ukuthi iyangithinta lento ngisho ngibe emotional okwangempela futhi ukuthi iyangithinta lento kaJulius Malema bafowethu ngoba kubalekile ukuthi amehlo siweqise singabuki manje kuphela in our generation ayekho usopolitiki ofana noJulius Selo Malema in our lifetime that ever existed. uJulius Malema yikho into angakasayikhuluma. Into angakasayikhuluma kayikho. Enhle nembi. Nefanele yenziwe ifanele kufohlwe kuyona ubulldozwe uyikhulumile. And then wa mislead abantu abathize ngendlela abamislead ngayo. Kwenza ukuthi ke mhlambe ke ubudlelwano bethu naye bugcine suba extreme naye wathatha ngamawala wagcina sengena elawini lika baba washisa umphethe wagcina naye ngiphucwa imoto ibe usikhotheni nami kwasekufanele ngidefende ke ngamaketelo nezinto ezikhona endlini ngithi njengamanje mfowethu Julius Malema nabo bonke abantu beEFF abanyatheleka nganza kwethu maduzane sizohlangana noJulius Malema esikhulume njengabaholi ngoba mangithi mina kini uma sesilwile sahlala phansi singabantu abamnyama asiqoqaneni nje sigeza namakhanda sithi siqaqana izitishi bese sifuna indlela ukuthi sifundeni kuloko esilwe khona. We must learn and we must indeed learn. And we can never allow a spirit and a charisma of and a geniusity that Julius Malema had in this country and the influence that he had, especially his overlap to the African continent, that we can disregard that geniusity and celebrate ukuthi uhlulekile. Obvious, la kwaZulu mina ngimhlulile Malema uyakwazi naye lokho wasala namasithi amabili uzwakela emncwango ngathi akangavotelwa umuntu wasola u0 ngaphinde futhi ngathatha iposition engiyithathile nalabo bebefisa ukuthi ngibe kubo angangaba kubo abangayenza intando yabo abangawina ngendlela abawine ngayo kahle the victorious person here that should be celebrated is Ngizwe Mkhunu who have been the political mastermind in the most difficult situation, political history in our generation. So therefore, I can never be tribalist, and I will never be. But I will remain the Zulu, and the Zulu person belong to the Zulu tribe will always be proud of who we are. Even ngisho soshangane le kwolise Limpopo bazalwa yithina. Nama singena ku-MK kule nhlambe eziningi ezingenile lapha ngithoka ngabantu be-MK who claim to be the members of the MK, some of them, and those people bengithuka benjalo. MK have used the similar strategy that EFF have used. Uthi kube nabantu nje abakuyi-payroll nje yokulwa nabantu intimidate abantu besabisa abantu bebathuke unknowingly that mina ngiphile kwi-media space almost my entire life. I know exactly ukuthi yini efanele yenzeke nengafanele yenzeke. That's why I've kept quiet for quite some times. That's why I'm reacting now, and I'm reacting in good faith. Hello, how are you? Are you still there? Yes, I am here. Into engisho ngenza kwethu ukuthi ke lawa be-MK ubaba uJacob Gadlehlekisa Zuma ngilokudlala nomuhle kakhulu naye. Kunezinto engengikwazi ukuyikhuluma kwi-society mina naye esayikhuluma nesavumelana ngazo naye, kodwa ngiyomhlonipha ngize ngife ubaba uJacob Gadlehlekisa Zuma. Kepha futhi ngicabanga ukuthi information ye-EFF lamathambo asengaphila. Washo njalo Hezekiah, lamathambo asengaphila. Usho Hezekiah wathi lamathambo asengaphila. Ngicabanga ukuthi isifo esiphethe ubaba uNcamalala sicishe sifane nesifo besisibabaza nakumntwana kwaphinda ngene yokuthi kubalekile ukuthi mawukhula ubese siyibona impisi zizemva kwakho eziyosala zibusa lapho ngasekhoyo usondelele kweliphakathi. Kodwa manje kusibone wena wedwa, trusting no one is questionable to the society at large and to the next generation. It's highly questionable. Even if uMbalula babefisa ukukhuluma nabantu in the province, because masikhuluma iqiniso i-MK fanele ngabe iphethe kwi-province, kodwa iphethe bani? Isiphi structure esikhona? Ngoba ifana nedlangala kwaZulu, idlangala MK idlangala. Yabona idlangala liyakhanwa nje abantu abasonto kwashembe bayalazi idlangala ukuthi yini tukhoba amadlangala. Makuye emhlanganweni uyapha after 3 days umhlangano usuphelile intaba isiyi-empty into kanjalo. So manje ke ama-temporal structures they may never be suitable for our society. We are in a crisis, we have been suffering. Yabona mina ngoba ngithanda ubuholo bukhona, ayengithanda uhulumeni okhona, I had no choice. But the only home that we know is ANC. If it feels bad to other people, okay, I'm sorry. Kodwa ke into engifuna ukuyiqhuma iqiniso awumbalula bafuna ukukhuluma ke ne-province bakhuluma nobani. What is the structure of the province? And you sleep today, tomorrow you are suspended. And you sleep today, tomorrow you are normal, you are nothing, you are nothing. It's just fight. But couldn't ngibuye ngiyithande ke izo ngqamalala. Ngo sometimes we are avoiding ukuthi kungabi khona abantu abafa egameni lakhe esemdala. Ngoba abantu ngendlela abajahe ngayo ikhundla. Abantu be-MK bangagcina belimazana bebulalana. Bangama structures ikhundla kwi-province amahloko ahlukene nationally. Dumism ngoba people are hungry for power, yabona. So and then for le nto leyenzayo lento at least kube kwakhona ke i-premier candidate and then bisikuba nabantu abathize kungakhulunywa nabo. Obviously MK ngabe kuyipower, and then we need legit tried and tested leadership ku-MK. Siqala manje ukuthi nangu uJaji Hlophe. Do you understand? Sibonga ukuthi hawunangu hawubaba Hlophe. Ho siyamazi amagalelo akhe. Uyijaji wasumthetho. yaqala yaqoqeka inqola yabona mayiqoqeka inqola qoqeka too late and then this experience gurus they've moved on yabona and then national they've moved on now they are nowhere they have to sit on opposite benches but it's I think for me it's good for them ukuthi bakwazi ukufunda lokubase parliament iningi labo ngoba ufake nenyanga lapha ufake uzuma ngithi uzuma unesihe uqesha inyanga lapha namakhosi amanye athi ngithini ngithi help bani ngithini ulayishiwe lapha hey gcwele ngisho sodasi lapha ayikho into engekho lapha nalapha nje ishawe ihloko kwaphela akaboni noma selishayela ukuthi uyabheda akuthi so manje ukuthi nabo ke bathole experience kwase parliament is good so and then ke baje so mina kungithiwa kwena nginankinga nakho engingakufuni ke mina abantu mina abathi mina ngirole model yabo abantu bethuka ubaba uNcamalala bemthuka ngendlela ebenza ngayo awukwazi ukuba ngokonongoma bese kube sihlala nkosi bese uthuka ubaba uNcamalala ngoba ikusaza akaziyo in the name of likes in the name of views yabona so you are stupid he may as well go and bow down yabo but it's nothing anyway. It's nothing. He's just umnqatha nje uhleli phela toilet that ofela lindo ukuthi flashwe nje phela kanjalo yabo so manje we can't entertain indaba umnqatha yabo and then ke iNGU uhulumeni lo engawukhuluma ngawo sengiyaphetha ke manje engakhuluma ngayo kudala yokuthi awuzange usebenze eGauteng ku Nelson Mandela Bay uzangisebenza uzange usebenze kuyilo kunjana kuyilapha ku Johannesburg municipality ekuruleni eThekwini uzange usebenza ube iThekwini uzange gijima amaqili nje oclever nongqondo bewucisha noma ugesi angithi yabo bese ke xoxwa kabusha ngabe iTheku is belong to our enemies and then konke lokho kodwa ngiyambongela kakhulu ukuthi uNtuli la kwi province ukwazi ukuthi aba premier ifakazi balokho yena kuphela iqembu labantu abamnyama ebeli ready to govern the province of KwaZulu-Natal IFP kaneliphi bese ke ubheka ukuthi ukugovernisha ama premier candidate wonke namaqembu abantu amnyama MK bingena iqembu lela premier candidate obviously EFF bengeke binalo ayilutho lento dodo umgodoyi lento le EFF letho wawo umongezi thwala into engekho nje yabo bese kuzothi ke MK bingenawo umuntu or i-premier candidate lokho kukhombisa khona ukuthi ama challenges abengakanani yabona so and then ke inkatha iyona kuphela be ready ngiyayibongela kakhulu nangama position ewatholile IFP ngiyakubongela Mphemba ukuthi kaNdlela futhi umsebenzi wakhe enkandla siyayazi umsebenzi wakhe engicetshayo siyayazi yabona futhi ngiphinde ngibongele lenduna kolokaZulu uthula sizwe Thelezi umfundisi ngiyabonga ukuqhabela kithi umsebenzi wakhe emihle siyazi Zululand namhlanje uMSC kaKhokta futhi uqala uyasebenza umsebenzi wakhe yabonakala iyagawula nje nje nafanele gawule khona eJohn Town siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu kodwa bengacela kunina ukuthi ningacompete ngokwama colors amaqembu neziqiniseko sokuthi nisebenza ngokubumbano ngoba into ezokwenzeka la kule NGO la uZinatal izosebenza izosebenza nginezaza lokho ngibuza ngelinye ilanga izosebenza la kwaSinatala ngoba izwe leqhwaga leli futhi kuhlanganise zona zonke zizohloniphana iqhwaga bekuya phambili bese kuthi ke ku-national inkinga izoba ningi kakhulu ngeke ngikhohlise kwamanye ama-province izoyinkinga zoba ningi kakhulu so la ukuhambisa khona uhulumeni oyinhlanganisela kodwa-ke nganginonishile I warned you yokuthi you will thank me later ukuthi lento yehulumeni oyinhlanganisela ayisoze yaze yasebenza ngoba thina sibona eAustralia yabona amaqala njalo behlaziya bethi no way asiyona no way thina ay Germany usho wacima hey se-Africa la siningizimu Africa then izo leqhwaga leli izo lehonga lesi akudlalwa la injalo ngengani zakwethu uphetha kwami ke ilokho ukuthi ke ngicela ukuthi ke simanikeze ithuba bese ngiphinde ngibongela nongqongqoshumusha lo ojabule kuna umuntu eSouth Africa jikelele yabona mangathiwale eSouth Africa uNkulunkulu akakhetha umuntu ohappy kuna bonke abantu lokuthiwa uGerard Mackenzie Katie Mackenzie lolu homo lebhanditi lijabule luyabhubha shembe yabona futhi ikhonto ezokwenzeka lapha ikhonto ezokwenzeka lapha mind you ikhonto ezokwenzeka yabona kubalekile ke ukuthi ke babona Maphosa ngikubongela icabinet yakho enhle thank you very much my president you have done well and ngifuna ukusho kubantu baseningizimu Afrika ukuthi engakukhuluma nomongameli ngaphinde ngakukhuluma nobhala jikelele ngizodedela bona when the time is right announce umongameli kodwa ukuthi amabhinqa ayamabhinqa asekwaZulu-Natal kuphela aseningizimu Afrika jikelele futhi izizathu ukuthi mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngigcine ngiwela ekutheni ngisupporte iqembu libusayo ilona kuphela akekho angaze ngimcele ilona kuphela la nginikeza attention lathumela uSG twice 3 times ngihlangana naye aphinde lathumela umongameli walo and Lord I think that was an enough respect for me as president wamabhinqa njengomholi ke bathatha isinqumo esifanele abantu njengoba nohlaba isebenzile ngiyabona abantu bethu uhlabisa abanye abantu nje ayikho ngisho yedwa umuntu kubo bonke la ngisho uMackenzie lo ojabuliswa wengane mangambuza ukuthi uyikuyile nakubantu ababevotela ababavotela ukuthi babe uhulumeni ukuthi babuzile ukuthi ku right ukuthi basebenzisane neNC akayikho noyedwa iDA ke yayani kubantu ayikazi yiye so ungizwe ixoki akuthami khona abo angikhona abo iIP ke yababuza abantu ingoba uhlabisa wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu wathatha isinqumo esifanele kanti abaholi abani if you elect leaders you elect them to trust them in due course so when they take decision you must respect their decisions so it's simple like that yabona then manje makuzoqala bebuze ama-opinion abo bonke abantu naba-angry abanye nabafelwa ingane nobani mina ngasithatha esitobhini igwasili ngekho mina ngahambe imisebenzi ngagezile kuthiwa ngiyanuka amanzi awekho wathocima konke lokho must be resolved kodwa igcina usuku ukuthi uma umuholi uthatha isinqumo abantu okufanele bekusona ingakho ngi-appreciate uhulumeni okhona njengamanje ukufisela inhlanhla sizomonitor and we are here as the community leaders sizomonitor senze sure ukuthi you are all accountable each and every one of you as excited you are you must be excited but I'm here but in my conclusion I want to emphasize ukuthi ngiyaxolisa kuba bonke inqumo zami engasange sasibajabulisa ngizohamba ngiyobona ubaba uNcamalala uDuze enkandla ngizombona futhi ngenaye sixoxe naye sincokole naye sizwe ukuthi izwe leseningizimu lokuphatheleni ekwenze kahle akwenzile noma ekwenze kabi kodwa ngobaba wethu umlando nawo sokuhlonipha ngaphezulu kwento angayenza namhlanje nayenze izolo ngoba history is more than just the path created by the past it influences the present and it paves the future and I'm also going to see uJulius Sello Malema and the meeting will be open to the society because I cannot allow a young man that my age a political genius just to be perished like that. Never. Will be unfair to ourselves and to our generation. Thank you, South Africa.
Sibamba ngophondo.